Margaret Namkanzia, a first-year student at the University of Zambia, majoring in economics.
My name is Mano Osam Kotima. Osam as in Osam Economics.
Hi, my name is Benjamin Liada, an economics student at the University of Zambia.
My name is Melden James Hembole, and I'm a first-year student at the University of Zambia.
The features that this book has that really helped me improve on my grades is the case study, the summary sections, and the review questions. You get to study and ask you the question to expose your understanding to it.
Made in such a way that the concepts were simplified, easy to understand, and summarized.
Like most of the things that are written in here, like unlike David Begg and Ahuja, in here they've been really simplified such that even if you are to study this and you have got an exam coming, you'll be able to understand each and every concept in here.
And the other thing is, I've noticed that the book has different references. Ahuja, David Begg, and the other one. Yeah. So if you're that type of a person who doesn't like studying books, it is very important for you to get this one because it is very summarized and straight to the point.
As inflation is increasing, the unemployment rate is reducing. And this is actually something that is happening in my country. And looking at it, I was like, wow, I'm looking at the theory part, and it's something that I'm able to apply even in the real world. Like when you look at it in practical terms, it is something that has really enhanced my understanding.
One word I use to describe this book is that it's magical, summarized, and you need it as you are coming here.
My encouragement to the fisherman would be the first thing as you come to the university, joining us studying economics, you need to have this book as it will help you start your academic year pretty well.
And it is something that I'd really recommend every student that comes here trying to major in economics and other courses that are related to economics itself to buy this book, because don't be like me that began by experiencing poor grades, but at least be exposed to it at first so that right from the start you get to have good grades. It's really a good book, and yeah, it has really impacted my understanding and the way of